O people, come to the way, O most honored one and most glorified one, Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
As-salamu alaykum, welcome to Divine Love Hubba Rasul, a new Islamic TV series in which we explore topics related to spirituality, traditional Islam, meditation, secrets of the heart, secrets of the Holy Qur'an and the teachings from the life of Sayyidina Muhammad, a symbol of our way and our path, the exemplar of faith, love, patience and good manners. We invite you to join us on the most extraordinary journey. As-salamu alaykum. Prophet asked the Sahabi that, please never pass the circle of paradise without sitting in that circle. And Sahabi asked, Ya Sayyidi Ya Rasulullah, what are the circles of paradise? And described in a lengthy hadith, these are the circles of zikrullah. Gather for the zikr and the remembrance of Allah and the salawat and durood al-sharif upon Sayyidina Muhammad and describe that there are angels specific to seeking out that zikr, and they roam the earth whenever an intention is going to be made for a group of people to sit and remember Allah. These are special angels that circumambulate that association all the way to Arsh ar-Rahman. And the last angel is conveying all of the du'as of that circle to Allah's Divinely presence, to the presence of Sayyidina Muhammad, presence of awliyaullah. And the one point to think is that the angels were so astonished of what Allah was going to dress them, to forgive them, to bless them, that they wanted to clarify that there are some amongst them in that circle, not from them. That deep, because not from them means maybe they don't pray, maybe they do whatever they want, but the circle is so holy and the circle is so powerful from azimatullah of Allah's might and majesty, that Allah said, since they sat in that zikr, dress them, bless them and give to that one. There is no other way of getting that. There is no guarantee and no hadith that you can pray and Allah regardless of your intention give you a reward. Means your prayer will be judged, your shahada will be judged, your salah will be judged, your zakah will be judged, your Sawm al-Ramadan, your fasting will be judged and your hajj will be judged. If intention was correct, if the action was correct, what was being done, what was being thought, what was being observed. But Allah said, for the sake of that halaqah I'm forgiving them. Why? Because it's a circle of paradise. There's no way to enter into a paradise reality and leave. There must be a tremendous secret in which the arwah and the soul of people enter into a paradise reality, and Allah begins to dress that and keep that in His Divinely presence. Safeguard it as a trust, like giving an inheritance to your children. You know, if you give it too quick they may blow it all, but they give it as a trust slowly to watch. And Allah describing from that hadith of Prophet that this is one of the only amals that you do that Allah doesn't judge. That's the greatness of the circles of zikrullah, the greatness of Salih ala Nabi, the greatness of seeking out a paradise reality.
Welcome to Aisha Islamic Gift Center. You will find holy Quranic translations and tafsir, children's books, and a wide variety of Islamic items. We have an extensive sale on Islamic clothing, as well as 50% off beautiful artwork. Aisha Islamic Gift Center. Come visit us and we will be happy to serve you.
Goldberg Market and Import Store offers a wide variety of fresh foods, including premium quality farm fresh halal meats, as well as premium brand Indo-Pak import products. Try our new mouth-watering Mediterranean grill, open now.
Eastern cultures use teas and herbs as an elixir of health and wellness. Rumi Rose Teas revives this ancient tradition with a collection of over 40 delicious hand-blended teas. Enjoy God-given health and wellness within every cup of Rumi Rose tea. Order online now.
And Allah gave like a rope that attend the circles of zikr, they are a paradise. And imagine a majlis and a center that always does zikrullah 3 times a week. Whether you come, you don't come, the angels don't have to search where we are. They have already a direct connection. They are here all the way because Prophet's words alayhi salatu salam are 100% true. Go and sit into the circle of paradise and Allah is great and generous that sit with them and I will dress you and bless you, forgive you all that weighs you down because this is the greatness of my paradise. It's like an oasis and a secret in the material world. Seek them out and sit with them. Be dressed from those lights, blessed from those lights. And because it is a paradise reality, it's not so easy to get here. We write that on a little post-it note in our house. Because it is a paradise reality, shaitan is not going to let us to enter the door. That every type of difficulty happens on the way coming. Every type of difficulty happens in the home, don't go tonight. Why? Because the longer you stay disconnected, the more control shaitan has upon you. If you enter into an association of paradise, you are reformatted and wiped clean, energized and given a light. That light burns shaitan and again he has to battle with you for a whole week. Battle with you to make sins, to make errors, to make wrong choices, deplete your energy and begin an attack. Then he convinces you, don't go this week because he's got the battery going lower and lower. And we find ourselves being inclined towards more wickedness, towards more bad desires, more bad choices. pray that Allah grant for us the ability just to contemplate this holy hadith for 1, 2, 3 days and think about all the rewards and the gifts of what Prophet was giving to us. That one who sat for them and was not from them, but what Allah going to dress that servant. What is the blessing of that association, and why is it that I always have a difficult time to get there? And we think of so many things through our ego that, no, I gotta do this, I gotta go here, I gotta go there, I gotta sit there. And every other place that we're going is not a circle of paradise in most instances. It's a different choice, because then we understand the battle of the nafs. Who knows himself will know his Rabb, will know the authority that is governing him. As soon as we identify our sickness, we are at least able to begin to attack it. If you don't know you have cancer, by the time you find out you're already dead. But if you know you have a sickness and you want to attack it and you want to come against it, then this is from that understanding. Every time I choose not to sit in a circle of paradise, why? Am I choosing something higher or am I choosing something lower? And if I'm choosing something lower, we pray that Allah always inspire us to choose higher, and that Allah open from these lights and from this love.
سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين بحرمة محمد المصطفى وبسر سورة الفاتحة.
We'd like to say happy birthday, and with the minister we'd like to get some advice as far as how can Muslims participate and be a part of the fabric of Canada and not something separate.
Of course. Well, there's 1 million Muslim people in Canada and we're proud of the Muslim community. And of course in the context of Canada 150 we are promoting inclusion and diversity. Canada has 20% of all of its population that is first generation immigrants. That is the highest percentage of the OECD countries, and I think we have this unique opportunity in the world to show how we can celebrate differences and the contribution of all the communities, including of course the Muslim community, to our society.
Beautiful, beautiful. I think that was one of the main benefits and the love of moving to Canada was the diversity.
Yes.
So many welcoming communities and so much love within Canada for the diversity.
And the context of Canada 150, we know we have to work on the path of the next 150 years. And we know that we're here to live together, to benefit from a peaceful situation and a great economy, and that we want our children to grow up in a society
safe
that
and beautiful society.
Yes, respects their rights and also offers opportunities to always improve their conditions and the ones of their own children.
Beautiful. Pray that God continue to bless Canada.
Thank you. Eid Mubarak.
My beloved Mawlana Shaykh Nurjan and my beloved Haja Fatima are teaching me from their heart how to love Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam through their tremendous love and beautiful association of zikr. Now it's Mawlana Shaykh Nurjan's barakah and teaching, I am a Muslim. I feel blessed to be a Muslim and a follower of Naqshbandi tariqah. Thank you for listening to me patiently. Mawlidum Nabi Mubarak.